How to watch YouTube while playing Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open YouTube application, log in with your account details. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner, then click on setting gear icon and go to purchase and memberships. Click on learn more. Now here you can see a lot of options of purchasing a premium membership of YouTube. And as you can see in all the offer you have one trial month. So you can simply purchase any one of the offer according to your desire. As in premium membership you will be able to play YouTube in background and also in small screen while playing Roblox. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.